In this season's production, a case worthy of Sherlock Holmes, Missing Bird Mystery. The lost subject, an 8-foot-tall canary, more commonly known as Big Bird to all his young fans. Inspector Fortescue Farquhar and his constables are hot on his trail, with a little help from the audience and a few familiar friends. In an interview before tonight's show, I asked the Cookie Monster and company manager Jim Watt about how their young audience responds to the show.
They love it. They absolutely love it. We've got the Count, we've got Bert and Ernie, we've got this big blue creature over here. Our audience ranges from 2 to 6 years old, and the parents have just as much fun if you get a chance to see them.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Cookie! Wait, Cookie! No!
The show is voiced by the original Muppet people on tape and acted out on stage by dancers and actors in costume, and music including that immortal tune, Rubber Ducky.
Rubber ducky, you're so fine, and I'm lucky that you're mine. Rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond of. Rubber ducky, I'd like a whole pond of. Rubber ducky, we're awfully fond of you.
Thank you, Oscar. Really great. Super. You know how